What's going on, guys? How are you? How are you doing? This is Shocks, and this is ShocksCapital YouTube channel. Today, I want to show you how to trade Forex in 2025. So this is for beginners and intermediate traders who want some knowledge in how to do this thing in this year. So what you want to do here is simple. We're going to start by getting you guys the 4 things that you need to do. Number 1, you need the broker. Number 2, you need to know the strategy and you need to know what you are going to trade, right? And number 3, what you need is simple. You need the knowledge on how to navigate this environment. Then number 4, you need the money, except that we are not going to give you money here. We're going to ask you to use your money and try these things out. If you don't know and if you don't understand, you can try to use your demo account as we go. So what we want to do is simple. We want to understand the strategy, we want to understand the broker, and we want to understand the instruments that we are going to be trading. So the broker that we are going to be using is WorldTrade, and if you click the links in the description down below, you will find the links to the broker. And after clicking those links, you are going to get to a page that looks like this. On this page, what you are going to do is to click registration, and you are going to put in your details, your names and everything, and you're going to upload your documents to verify that the person that you claim to be is really you. So this is a broker that offers forex trading and synthetics indices. So when you open your account, you verify everything. I want you to open an account that is called SynthX, right? So that account is the account for synthetics indices, and after doing that, you are going to link that account to your MT5, which is your trading platform. After doing that, you are going to see a platform that looks like this. So after you link your account to your MT5, this is how it's going to look like. If you don't know how to link this account, get in touch with me and I'll help you how to do this very thing. So with that being said and that out of the way, let's talk about what you are going to trade and what you are going to be how you are going to be trading it. So you're going to be trading synthetic indices that are found on this broker, and you can see them to your on your left side of the screen. So just look at the left side of the screen right now and you clearly see what you're going to be trading. So let me just open it up, and you guys should be able to see what you're going to be trading. So this is market watch. So these are the indices that you are going to be trading on WorldTrade. So what I'm going to do is simple. I'm going to ask you to look at one, and this one that I'm looking at is, so it's SFX volatility 60 on the H1 time frame, and I'm going to show you how to trade this particular one, and you are going to be using this knowledge to trade more. So remember, if you are looking at this thing, you will know that price moves like this, right? So I'm going to show you a very simple continuation strategy that you're going to be using. So number 1, what you need to understand is to understand where price is going. So in this case, price is going up, and if you see price doing the opposite like this, price is going down. So you need to go where price is going, or you need to align yourself with a trend. So the trend is the direction is up, which means you have to buy, and if the direction is down, you have to sell. So the simple thing that you have to understand is when you buy low, or when you buy at this red line and price moves from that red line going up, that's how you make money. Then when you sell and price moves down, that's how you make money. Then when you sell and price moves up, that's how you lose money. And when you sell and price moves up, or when you buy and price moves opposite, that's how you actually lose money. So you have to know those things and understand what you are doing. So here, what I'm going to show you is simple. I'm going to show you a strategy that will put the odds of you winning in the positive, right? So that you know what you are doing. So when price takes out a high like that, right, this is the equivalent of price taking out this high, as you can clearly see here. This is the equivalence of what I'm drawing on that other chart, right? And what you want to do is to see price getting back to to where price would have reversed. So price would have reversed from this point going up to break this, right? So you want to see price going back to that reversal point on the prior on the prior break, as you can see here. So this is the equivalent of this on this platform, where you want to see price going back to this to this reversal point like this, right? So if you see this, this is a sure way of of a reversal. And when you see price then giving you a green candle like what you are seeing in that area, this is actually what you want to see in terms of entering this particular trade. So when price comes back, gives you this, when it gives you that green candle there, that is where you sell. And we have something that is called a stop loss that you have to use when you do this. So when price gives you this particular formation on a candlestick, you need to put your to put your stop loss just below. So this might seem too much for beginners. So if you are a beginner and you are watching this video and don't really understand what's happening here, let me know in the comment section down below, and I will do a full step-by-step video of how to do this, right? So after I do that, you see that this is a this is a formation that of candlesticks that you are going to end. So your buy is going to be here, your stop loss is going to be here. So stop loss just means that when price gets to that particular price, it will take you out automatically, right? And take profit, you go and put on the next high. And take profit just means that when price gets to that particular point, you are going to get out of the market automatically, but with some money. So this is how we are going to look at it, and this is how price is going to do it. So this is what you do. So when price then breaks another high, so this high was taken out again, you mark again where it all started, and you wait for price to come back there, and you continue like that. And remember, you are going to be looking only for price action that moves like what I'm showing you here. You're going to avoid price that just goes in one direction without retracing and without giving you entries to enter. So this is a strategy that you can use on World Trade. So what you have to do now, get your account, find that account, and try to follow me as I trade these things on my on my Telegram channel until you get the gist of why everything is going. So I will see you in the Telegram channel, and I'll see you when you get your account and fund it, so that we can trade together. And as a beginner, you might actually get some knowledge on how to trade in 2025. So this is what to trade in 2025. And guys, I will see you on the other side, and happy hunting. Shocks, and I'm out.